Welcome! In this short video where we will explore how future thinking can be supported by visual storytelling using generative AI tools that creates images. Midjourney is a generative AI tool that creates images from text prompts. Midjourney is known for producing artistic, surrealistic images, often with more creative flair compared to some other image generators. Midjourney is used by Discord and it is paid service. Sometimes seeing the future, rather than just reading about it, can transform the way we understand the change. This image was generated with Midjourney to illustrate a desirable future vision. It represents a fictional young person living in the year 2050, someone who is deeply connected with nature, peace and ecological renewal. So let's hear the story of Väinö Ilves day in 2050 Helsinki. I'm Väinö Ilves and I'm 18 years old, youth from Helsinki, Finland. I walk to school through the noble wooden grove of Tuulbox, admiring the mistletoe vines wrapped around the trees. If I'm lucky, I might encounter a playful golden jackdaw on the way. I truly and deeply value natural ecosystems because throughout my entire childhood we have had to protect, restore and rebuild them. Now the massive task is nearly complete. Fortunately, my family also made a big contribution to the Metso protection program, and I'm very proud of my grandparents. I love immersing myself in and becoming entwined with nature. It's the best thing I can do in my life. It makes me happy. When I become one with nature, I feel like I am part of this entire universe and ecosystem. We are one. Cholo, May 1st, 2050, Väinö Ilves. The image and the story of Väinö Ilves was just not a random fantasy. It was inspired by real foresight data, sustainability trends, biodiversity policies, and education scenarios from future reports. Postscriptum. We do not have mistletoe vines or golden jackdaw in Finland yet. We have political debate about rebuilding the ecosystems, and the relation with nature is going towards immersing ourselves with nature, being equal part of it. Let's move on to see how the picture was made. This was the prompt I used for Väinö Ilves picture in Midjourney. And these are the picture options I got out. And some more. When we read a foresight report like climate strategies, demographic outlooks or UNESCO's Future of Education document, we gain data and insights, but those texts are often abstract or analytical. By turning these insights into images, we bring the future closer. It becomes visible, tangible, and easier to reflect on. By the way, what do you think about this aerial view of Helsinki in 2050? Images like this help us ask better questions. What values are visible here? What kind of world do we want to create? What choices of today could lead us there? Using AI in future thinking can help us easier to examine it with critically, creatively and emotionally. Hope you enjoyed this lesson and found it useful to your own work. And here was the prompt for Midjourney for this aerial view photo of Helsinki in 2015. And here are some pictures I got. I urge you to try something similar and from that create your own ways to use AI in visualizing things that do not appear yet, but are something that we dream of and make the world a better place for all of us. Hope you enjoyed this lesson and got ideas for your teaching and how to use AI picture generators.